Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. Today I have got Ryzen 7 and a 1080 Ti build. So let's start with the component details and pricing, and then we'll assemble the PC and I'll show you more about it. So starting with the cabinet, we have got this Cooler Master H500p, and this is mesh, and this is gunmetal color, available for 12,800 rupees only. However, you also get a white color options. I will share a link in the description box below for the white color build. You can go ahead and check out that build also. For the processor, we have got Ryzen 7 2700X. This is 8 core 16 thread processor for 30,200 rupees only. For the motherboard, we have MSI X470 Gaming Plus motherboard. This is for 13,500 rupees only. For the graphic card, we have GTX 1080 Ti. This is 11 GB MSI Gaming X. This is for 65,500 rupees only. However, the current price is 73,000 rupees. This PC was ordered during the sale, which is 19th May and 20th May. At that point of time, we have sale on our website. So hence, this is the best price which we can offer to the customer. So this is for 65,500 rupees only. For the SSD, we have got Samsung SSD 960 Evo M.2. This is NVMe SSD, and this is for 9,900 rupees only. However, it does come with a second version, which is 860 Evo M.2, and this is SATA. This is not NVMe. If in case you want the cheaper one, this is for 9,900 only. I'll go with this. For the RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws V series, and this is a 16 GB kit 1, 16 GB kit 2, so total 32 gigs of memory, and the price for 32 GB is 32,000 only. For the power supply, we have got Cooler Master Vanguard V850, and this is 80 plus gold certified, and on top of that, it is fully modular power supply. And the price for this power supply is 12,500 rupees only. For the cooler, we have got Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240L RGB. It comes with RGB fans, and the price is 7,500 rupees only. For the keyboard, we have got Logitech G413 Carbon. It has got Romer G mechanical switch, and I have made a dedicated video for this keyboard. You can go ahead and check out the link in the description box below for the dedicated video for this keyboard. The price for this keyboard is only 5,500 rupees in Indian market. For the mouse, we have got Logitech G402, and this is for 2,300 rupees only. For the storage, we have got a Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive, and this is for 4,700 rupees only. And for the monitor, we're gonna use dual setup curved monitor, which is Samsung 27-inch, which is kept right above this keyboard. I'll just show you. So we're gonna use two monitor with this setup, and both are 27-inch curved. I'll share the link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out the model number and the pricing. The pricing for this Samsung monitor is 47,000 for two monitor, so 23,500 each monitor. Let's just go ahead and start assemble process.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So alright guys, we are done with the PC assemble process and it is looking quite beautiful, and compared to the mesh white, this gunmetal color looks better. So if in case you're planning for this cabinet, go for the gunmetal. Still, white is a decent color. I would not say that is a bad one, but my choice, it's like I will go with the gunmetal if someone asks for the suggestions. Coming to the graphic card, yes, this graphic card does have RGB options. So 1080 Ti Gaming X has RGB. The 1080 Ti performs really well. It can run any game at ultra setting. Also, it has got 2-in fan, and the fan will work when you will put some load on the graphic card, which is good thing. That's about the video for this PC. The total price for this PC is 2,43,400 rupees only. That includes dual 27-inch curved monitor, a decent keyboard and mouse. You will find all the product link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and make a purchase from there. And that's about the video. If in case you have any questions, do let me know in the comment. I would love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. And follow me on Instagram at Techmart Unbox. That's about the video. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.